Hi guys, JTech Berry is here again, your number one tech go-to. Dave from YouTube asked me a question about what might be the cause of his system keep freezing and slowing, and also is not as fast as it was when he first got it. Well, I know you guys might be having this issue also, so don't worry, I'm here for you. I'm going to explain to you on how we are going to solve these problems. Trust me, your system will be as good as new. First, let's take a look at what might be the cause of these problems. The reasons, there are some reasons that I've outlined here for you. Now, the reason might be maybe your local storage is full. I mean your hard disk. What do I mean by the hard disk? This right here. Assuming you're having a local disk full like this, your system might be slow. And also, too many programs are running on your PC. And also, the RAM is too low for the operating system, and maybe your system has been affected by virus. So I'll be explaining to you on how we can solve this issue gradually. The first one is if your local storage is full. If your local storage is full, you will need to get an external hard disk. Sorry about that. You need to get an external hard disk to back up your files into. You back up your files into them, so to free up some space on your local hard disk. I mean the internal hard disk. Then you get an external for it. And also, if you have too many programs running on your PC, this also can make your system slow. And how do you know if a program is running that is affecting your PC? You can just click on the task managers. Then you look at every program's running. You try to end all tasks. Once you end this task, then how do you end task? You right click on it and click on end task. So that will enable you to end all the programs running on your PC. And also, if your RAM is slow, if your RAM is too slow, assuming you are having 2 gig RAM and your OS is 64 bits, believe me, it will be slow. Or you are having 8 gig RAM and your OS bit is 32 bits. They are not compatible. So you need to either upgrade your OS or you upgrade your RAM. So by that, your system will be fast and much more efficiently. No more freezing, no more tune. And the last one is if your system is being affected by a virus. That means you need to get an antivirus. There are different antivirus out there you can get. There's Boogard, Quickly, Kaspersky, Norton, EVG, and the likes. However, I do not recommend SmartDev. And guess what? I'll be giving a discount plan for Boogard and Quickly license keys for those of you who would like to get the keys for your PC. Thank you, and help us to tell a friend how JTech Berry has helped you. And please remember to stay safe. Have a nice day.